Greetings. Annette Tersigni here, the Yoga Nurse, guiding you in the sacred breath of life. Welcome. So we're going to begin by placing our hands into a comfortable position. We call it a mudra. You can use the OK, Om symbol, or relax your hands in another way. And simply bring your attention to the great breath of life. Inhaling, you fill. Exhale, empty. Cool breath in. Warm breath out. Opening your shoulders, rolling them up, back, and down. Lift up your chest. And relaxing your hands down on your low belly. Imagine you have a balloon under your hands, and as you breathe in, you fill the balloon, and as you breathe out, you draw your belly in towards the spine. Then bringing your hands up to the rib cage, as if you were playing an accordion, your ribs reaching out to the side walls. And then finally drawing that great breath all the way up to your chest cavity. Fill the whole person. Filling and fulfilling. Breathing in, growing up taller. And relaxing the hands back down comfortably in your lap. Receiving the Great Spirit, indeed a Holy Spirit, bringing you home to the memory of wholeness, to the memory of peace.